So let's go ahead and explore the integral on the left. It seems really easy. All we have to do is use u substitution. And now we have our dx. So let's go ahead and rewrite that integral so we're in the land of u. Notice that the x is canceled out. I brought the 2 on the outside, and I rewrote that power as u to the negative 1/2. And now we have this simple solution, but now we rewrite the value back in terms of x. But now let's try that second integral. I'm going to try u substitution to show why it's a little more complicated. I guess we can go ahead and utilize that u to say that u plus 3 is equal to x squared, that back into our integral. But you see how that doesn't make it any better? Let's try something else. I'm going to rewrite this again. Let's go ahead and use some trig sub. So we're going to draw out our triangle. We have x as our hypotenuse, root 3 as our opposite. And there you'll see that the opposite is that root x squared minus 3. And now we need to figure out some values in terms of theta to write that as our new integral. We can use cosecant of theta is equal to x over root 3. We're going to use that as our dx. Now we can say that cotangent theta is equal to the root x squared minus 3 over root 3. And now we have what we're going to use for the root x squared minus 3. And revisiting the cosecant, we can say that root 3 cosecant theta is equal to x. And that's exactly what we're going to use for the x. And now let's go ahead and rewrite our integral in terms of land of theta. Now we can see some things cancel out. And now we just have to rewrite that cotangent squared using the Pythagorean identity. And now we're simply going to integrate. And now that we found our integral, we use the trig values to rewrite it in terms of x. So we're going to use cotan theta is equal to this expression. And since cosecant is equal to x over root 3, we can say that our theta is the inverse of cosecant of x over root 3. And that's what happens when you flip those values into fraction. Let me know what you think.